Good morning, student. Today we'll study of class third. Subject SST. Your book name, Our Society and Culture. Now we'll be start chapter 3. Chapter 3. Title is India, Our Country. Our country, India, is a wonderful country. India is the seventh largest country in the world. India is a part of the continent Asia. It lies in the southern parts of Asia. India is very great country. It's about 3200 kilometer from north to south and about 3000 kilometer from the east to west. In the north we have Jammu and Kashmir. In the south there are Kerala and Tamil Nadu. In the east there are Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur and Meghalaya. In the west and northwest of India there are Gujarat, Rajasthan and Punjab. India is a land of high mountains with snow peaks, waterfalls, plateaus and deep valleys. It is a land of big rivers and fertile plants. It is land of lovely forests and green hills. It has many land forms. Thus, our country has mountains, plains, plateau, desert, and islands. Based on these physical features, India can be divided into the following physical divisions. Let us learn about these features in detail. Mountains. Mountains are very high pieces of raised land. The Himalayan is the longest mountain range in the world. There are many peaks in this mountain. Most of them remain covered with snow almost throughout the year. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, lies in Nepal. The tallest Himalayan mountain peak in India is the Kanchenjunga. The second highest mountain peak of the Himalayas in K2 is K2. Mount Mt. Godwin, Austin. The central and southern parts of our country have low mountain range called hills. The Vindhya and the Satpura ranges are in central India. The Nilgiri hills are in South India. A number of states are located in Himalayan ranges like Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, etc. Many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj and Brahmaputra start from these mountains and flow down to plains, northern plains. Plains are flat pieces of land The northern plains of India are flat and fertile land. It is known as the Great Northern Plains of India. Many rivers flow through this plain. Farmers grow crops like rice, wheat, corn, and sugarcane. Here, a lot of people lives in the northern plains. There are villages, towns, and clothes. The states Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and some holy cities like Haridwar, Allahabad, Rishikesh, etc., are located in the northern plains. It is generally very hot in summers and cold in winters in the plants of coastal plains. A narrow strip of plain is found along the coast of India. These plains meet of place called Kanyakumari in South India, points in the southern part of India. Many rivers such as Narmada, Tapti, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri flow through these plains. These plains are also very fertile. Southern Plateau, the southern part of India, looks like a cone shaped. It has a flat and uneven surface. It is higher than the surrounding plain. This type of land is called a plateau. The southern plateau cover the largest area. The region is surrounded by hill ranges on three sides. The land is hard and rocky. This area is less fertile than the plains. The southern plateau is also called the Deccan Plateau. There are many rivers here. They depended on the rain. They, they depend on the rain for water. Some parts of plateau covered with thick forest. The states which are part of southern plateaus are Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha and Tamil Nadu, etc. Indian desert. A large area of the northwestern part of India is a sandy desert called the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. It is a very hot and dry during the day. The nights are very cold. Only thorny plants and cactus grow here. A very little water is found in the desert. The camel is the most important animal here. It is called the sheep of desert. Some places of tourist interest as Bikaner, Suratgarh, Jodhpur, Mount Abu and Jaisalmer etc. are located in Indian desert islands. A pieces of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. The southern part of the India is surrounded by water on its three sides. There are two group of island in our country, and Andaman and Nicobar Island lies on the eastern side in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Island lies on the western side in the Arabian Sea. Now complete your lesson. Your homework is read lesson 3.